Top 5 Best Humidor. Number 5. Audew Cigar Cooler and Humidor. The Audew Cigar Cooler and Humidor gives you a large and commanding storage unit for up to 300 cigars. This makes a great addition to any library, study, or man cave. The Humidor is also ideal for a small store. Aside from that bumper capacity, what else do you get for your money? The 3 shelves are fully adjustable so you can accommodate and neatly categorize a growing cigar collection. Consistent levels of humidity are maintained through air closed-loop circulation. The drawers and the shelving are designed to sit flush to the cabinet's front edge and the integrated fan. This promotes outstanding airflow and keeps humidity levels perfectly in check so you get the storage environment you need. You also benefit from a moisture container so you can fine-tune humidity to create the optimum storage spot for your cigars. The Spanish cedar finish might not be novel, but it's a favorite for humidors with just cause. For a large capacity cigar humidor that won't require too much room to accommodate, we can't recommend the Audew Cooler and Humidor strongly enough. Pros: Cedar drawer and shelving. Class-leading 300 cigar capacity. Moisture container thrown in. Cons: some snags with quality control. Coming in number 4. Octodor Cigar Humidor. Do you have a larger cigar collection that needs attention but you don't fancy the idea of a huge freestanding humidor? Well, the Octodor gives you an aesthetically elegant alternative with a truly impressive capacity. How does it shape up, then? Well, the first thing you'll benefit from is a 100 cigar capacity, although with much larger cigars this will be slightly reduced. As with all Casa Elegance humidors, you get a digital hygrometer allowing you to stay on top of humidity levels. The felt-lined drawer provides a plush home for those Monte Cristos, and the hydro system patented by the manufacturer keeps humidity levels in that perfect sweet spot required to maintain the taste and aroma of those precious cigars. Accessory storage is roomy so you can keep all that cigar paraphernalia to hand without needing an extra box to worry about. Despite these impressive storage properties and substantial capacity, this humidor measures 13.75 by 9.5 by 8.6 inches and weighs in at 13 pounds, so it won't overtake your office desk. Pros: oversized 100 cigar capacity. Built-in digital hygrometer. Felt-lined drawer. Cons: weak customer service. Coming in number 3. Casa Elegance Cedar Humidor. Our favorite humidor overall is this understated desktop unit from Casa Elegance. How does it shape up, then? Fashioned from Spanish cedar, you get a storage environment ideal for keeping your prized cigars fresher for longer. The integrated humidification system keeps the humidity levels between 65% and 70%, so you won't need to tinker around with any settings. You'll need to factor in the solution for this humidifier. The manufacturer recommends CE Humidor solution. You also get gel and hydro sticks included to enhance the environment further. The magnetically sealed enclosure keeps your cigars in a perfectly contained environment so you enjoy them at their very best even if you keep them for years. Anyone with a love for cigars probably has a comparable hatred for the volume of accessories you need. Keep your lighter, cigar cutter, and any other paraphernalia in the storage drawer on board. The wooden humidor is crowned with a tempered glass lid. You can view your collection without breaching the storage environment as an added kicker to an already great package. You can't go wrong with this humidor from Casa Elegance. Pros: digital hygrometer. Stealthy accessory storage. Magnetically sealed enclosure. Cons: some users struggle to get humidity above 55%. Coming in number 2. Whynter Elite Touch Cigar Humidor. Whynter makes some extremely spacious and powerful cigar humidors equally at home in the study, office, man cave, or even a small commercial cigar shop. Now, this is a heavy and bulky humidor, so make sure you have the space to accommodate its hulking form and 27 pounds of weight. You can take charge of the temperature by tweaking it from 50 Fahrenheit through 66 Fahrenheit so you can create the optimum environment inside for the cigars of your choice. This unit is expressly designed to keep your cigars at the requisite humidity levels. This should be at a range of 62% to 75% of the room temperature. The analog hygrometer lets you keep your eye on this level with ease. The removable drawer and shelves are lined with Spanish cedar to give your cigars that trademark aroma while at the same time repelling any bugs from invading your stogies. The only real complaints we could unearth concerning this humidor mention some inconsistencies with humidity levels. Overall, we feel you're getting a spacious, long-lasting, and highly effective humidor ideal for medium-sized and growing cigar collections. Pros: enormous capacity, removable drawer, Spanish cedar. Cons: inconsistent humidity. Coming in number 1. Whynter Stainless Steel Cigar Humidor. The Whynter offers you a comprehensive cigar storage solution if you have the room to accommodate it. This freestanding cooler and humidor combined comes with 1.2 cubic feet of storage space. There's an even larger version of this unit available with double the interior real estate. With this iteration, you'll have space inside for up to 250 of your favorite cigars. As well as working well for your cigars at home, this makes a superb storage and display unit for small commercial premises, too. The Spanish cedar drawer lets you stash your cigar accessories in one place. This is removable. You can also adjust and remove the cedar shelving, giving you a flexible storage environment. The cooling is thermoelectric but quiet. You can tweak the temperature from between 50 Fahrenheit and 66 Fahrenheit to create the optimum storage environment for your stogies. It's not just the temperature of your cigars you can regulate, but also the humidity. There's a hygrometer drawer allowing you to monitor levels. As long as you have enough room to house this humidor, you're getting an exceptional presentation unit to show off your cigars while preserving the taste and aroma over time. Pros: quiet thermoelectric cooling, no vibration, enormous capacity. Cons: bulky and pricey.